Thrifting with my boys today. I thought I was gonna go by myself, and then they all jumped in the car at the last minute, so let's see what we can find. Already found some nice wooden spoons. Holy cow. They have a lot of stuff. Did you find something? Hold on, I'm coming. And we get it. They already found some stuff. Yes. Wow, look at all these. Oh boy. I'm looking for a little lamp for my kitchen. These are all a little bit too big. This one's the wrong color. Look at all this great artwork. Oh my word. Oh, that's so cute. Some pretty stuff. Look at it, it just keeps going. What did you find? Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Just hang on to it, okay, buddy? Yep, maybe we will. 1962 it says. It's the year my dad was born. These are cute. I love these. Oh, cool. That's neat. Collector's coin map. $1.75. I feel like my boys would love that. Ethan, check it out. It's a collector's coin map.
Check it out. It's a bow and arrow.
Oh, yep. Let's not.
Ethan, check it out. It's a bow and arrow.
So every time you get a state coin, then you would just like put it inside the map. It's kind of cool.
Oh my word!
This would make a nice bookshelf.
Mama, watch. Do you think this is soft, Mama?
There's only one
Watch
shelf.
this, Mama.
Is that comfy?
You could just sink it. This thing is a VX. A VX. Ethan! Ethan, a high chair.
What is that, Gabe?
It looks like something.
Let's see. I'm trying to read the cursive. Very cool. Gabe pointed this one out. Ethan, did you see this? Remember how, come here, Ethan. Remember how we were talking about, Daddy said extra, extra, read all about it? And you said, what does that mean? That's an example right there of a boy, newsboy on the corner selling newspapers. And he's probably yelling, extra, extra. Some wallpaper. Let's see if there's any contact paper. Whoa. I've actually been looking for a globe like this to try in my entryway, but I think this one's too small, much too small. I need a really big one. My sister's looking for some small containers for plants. Should maybe send her a picture of some of these. See if they would work. Ooh, what's this? Some pottery. That's kind of cute. Which one? Oh, yeah, Ellie and Claire would like that. It's kind of cool. I was kind of looking at this one.
Mama, look at this.
Like a... Oh, it's blue on the inside.
Mama, it's a picnic thing, Mama.
I know. I feel like it could be used for... I'm always thinking about storage. What could that be used for? Some of your toys or something? Maybe. Maybe we'll think about that. Holy cow.
That's not gonna make.
Okay, guys, let's look but not touch.
Oh.
Okay?
Nursery.
Man, my eyes, I can't even focus on.
Look at these organizer things.
These are kind of cool. Kind of neat. Ethan, I always like looking at all the candlesticks because we love lighting candles.
Mama.
This is kind of a pretty one.
Dun, dun, dun.
Hey, cinnamon sticks. I might grab these. Little copper one with a brass handle. Might grab that one. How about this one, Caleb? That's kind of cute. 25 cents, or is it 75? 75 cents. So what are these? Are they just shelves? Oh, they're really heavy. Holy cow. I don't know about those. Always like to take a look at the fabric to see what they have. Oh, I forgot about the curtains too. I'll take a quick look at these.
Mom, these are really fancy pillows.
Those are fancy pillows, huh? It's pretty. Okay, so what did we end up finding? Some cinnamon sticks, a little candlestick, some wooden spoons. Not a whole lot today, huh?
Even this.
All right, gonna try Goodwill next. Got your little toy, Caleb? Always like to check the linens, the blankets. Well, that's what the washing machine is for. If you wash it.
Well, don't wear it until you wash it.
It's kind of a cute blanket. Is it a blanket or is it? I wonder if it's like a round tablecloth. I always like to check out the material. You never know. Oh, they're gonna sell this whole box for $4.99. Holy cow. Bummer. But I don't think I want all of it. Oh, I always love looking at the books.
Mom, can you buy this? Mama.
No, honey, that's just a hook.
This is for free.
Sometimes you can find really cool, like decor books, cookbooks. Let's see. There's like some crafting books. I even like buying old magazines sometimes. Bummer, looks like they're preparing for Halloween. Oh man. Come on. What's this? Oh, it's kind of, you can see how it's kind of bent. Alright guys, looks like they don't have a ton today, but you never know. I don't think they're listening. They're very focused on that spider up there. All right. Oh wow, somebody donated some pretty canisters. That's cute.
I know, turn the free here.
it?
That black spider.
No, it's not a Black Widow spider, but you were the cutest thing ever. Oh, these old school desks are cool. Those would be fun to have if I had space for them.
Ready?
Oh, Gabriel. Oh, goodness. All right, I'm always looking for baskets for storage. This is kind of a nice one, actually. But not in love with any of these. I didn't catch these under here. No. All right. All right. What did you find?
A sticky. 7.
A sticky?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, is this spray painted or? Probably. Kind of cute. I don't think it's real copper. I love looking through this section. Wow. Hey, Ethan, check out this whisk. This is like industrial size. Ethan, look at this whisk. It's like as big as your leg.
Whoa, Mama, look at the timer. What's this here?
What is it?
What's this? What's this? What, that's
It's a pretty rolling pin, but I don't need any more. I already have enough. Hey, I actually had one of these and my dad broke it by accident. Meat thermometer. Actually, my candy thermometer broke too a couple years ago. Oh my goodness, I'm such a sucker for scallops. Why do these look so cute to me? Somebody talked me out of these. Oh my goodness. So cute. Gosh, I can't think of a place where I would use them. But they're so darn cute. Man, we just didn't do good today thrifting, did we, guys?
Yeah.
Didn't find a whole lot. That's how it is, though, with thrifting. Sometimes you get lucky and you find a lot, and other times you just don't find anything. But we're headed to, well, we found some things, yeah. Hey guys, it's a new day. I know I didn't do super well thrifting with my boys in terms of finding a bunch of stuff. We just didn't, we didn't find a whole lot. But I just went and visited my local thrift store right here in our town, and I scored big. So let me flip the camera around and show you what I grabbed. I'm super excited about it. I'm standing in the nursery because we've always called this the nursery. It technically still is because Isaiah's a baby, but we're gonna do like a shared space between him and Caleb in here, and I want to give it a little refresh. So let me show you what I found. I'm really excited. Oh my goodness, look at all this fun stuff. Okay, so I don't want to go into I'm gonna make a whole other video about my inspiration for the nursery. Look at these curtains, not thrifted. They were the inspiration for the space. You can see I'm playing with paint colors, and I still want to stick with the animal theme, but I am in love with like all things check, plaid, gingham, whatever. And I found this like window valance, I think is what it's called, but just the color and the fabric is so pretty. I thought maybe it would be fun for like a crib skirt or something. I could sew it and do something different with it. So I grabbed that, and then I found these sheets that are almost identical. I don't think they go together just because the tags are different. These are actually Ralph Lauren sheets, and there's a fitted sheet and then also a flat sheet, and it's for a twin set. I'm gonna wash these and see how they look, but I just loved the pattern, and I'll just throw them in the washing machine on sanitize is what I was gonna say. I got this pretty little galvanized candle holder. It was like $2, not for the bedroom, but just for another place in my house. I just really loved it. Loved this for the other boys' room because they have more of a navy blue happening in there, and the color on the phone is making it look black, but it's definitely a navy blue. So I thought that would be really cute. In the boys' room, I grabbed this little bunny. I'm in love with bunnies, and I was when I was a little girl too. My mom actually decorated our whole room in bunnies once. I would collect them, and I just loved them. And I found this little guy for $2, and I just thought he would go perfect in this space with the whole animal theme, and I just loved him. I don't know. Also found this really cool, it looks like an original watercolor, and it was $2, and the colors were so pretty. So I'm going to use this in the boys' bedroom. I just loved like the daddy and the little boy. I think it's so cute, and I think it'll look great in their room. And then, oh, I found this, which I thought would just be great for homeschool. It's just one of those like block calendar things to kind of, you know, have the boys change out the date every day. Super cute. And then all the months are on here. And I just thought, oh my word, this is perfect, and like a great way for them to, you know, kind of learn the calendar. And so anyways, those are my finds, and I'm just like so excited about this bedroom space. So I think I'm going to make a different video for you guys, just sharing like our plans for this space. And I want to repaint, which I, for the longest time, wanted to just work with the color that was here because it's all board and batten, and that takes such a long time to paint. It's a lot of cutting in. But I just knew in my heart that I wanted to change it. I don't know why. It's so precious right now, but I wanted something that just felt, I don't know, a little bit more rich and deep. And so I'm like loving those curtains that I showed you. Anyways, another video. I'll stop talking about it, but I hope that this little fun thrifting trip inspired you guys. Whenever I see people go thrifting, I mean, you saw that thrift store and everything that it had. It always just like gets me excited about, okay, well, what can I find thrifting? And you don't have to spend so much money on decor to have a beautiful home. And I hope that I, you know, convey that through this channel and just inspire you guys to get out there and shop secondhand. It's just such a great way to, you know, fill your home with fun and unique items. And so pretty soon here, I am going to be sharing like my vision board for this nursery space. And I just can't wait. I can't wait to share it with you. I have all the ideas. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'll be doing that very soon. But in the meantime, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by today. I do a lot of thrift hauls, lots of antiquing, secondhand decor, and I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.